Hey guys, it's Mel
and Todd,
and we are here with our first travel vlog. We're super excited to show you guys what we've been up to so far. We've been a bit quiet, but internet and Wi-Fi connection isn't the best in
it is not the best
Cuba,
here in Cuba.
So the first few clips are a Malteser flying through outer space as we're on our way to Cuba from Gatwick.
And then our airplane meal and a bit into some live commentary. James Martin, you babe. Open it up, baby. Airplane meal, chicken curry. What's it called? Massaman. Chicken curry with steamed jasmine rice. Airports at its finest. Airplanes at its finest. Photo of our ice cream that we had after our meal.
They were actually really nice.
Which were really nice. And then we did a little bit of a time-lapse type thing out of the window as we were preparing to land at the Holguin airport.
That's where it's really bumpy as well, isn't it? Because the turbulence was quite bad on the flight.
Yeah, pretty much throughout the flight we had bad turbulence.
No entertainment system.
No entertainment system as well for 8 hours, which was not fun at all. And a picture of our plane and some of the passengers that were with us on the plane. And then we got a taxi from Holguin airport to Gibara, which was around about 45 minutes to an hour, I believe.
Starts now.
Yeah, definitely.
Buenos dias.
Yeah, buenos dias, buenas tardes.
And this moment after 12 o'clock is buenas tardes.
Buenas tardes.
And good evening, buenas noches is when it's dark.
Yeah. ¿Cómo está?
¿Cómo está?
Yeah.
How are you?
¿Dónde está? And then that is where is.
Yes, where is? ¿Dónde está? I'm more polite. ¿Dónde está, por favor?
Por favor. Okay.
Usually you're going to see carriers, horse carrier like this.
Yeah.
They're using like taxi.
Gibara.
Hello guys, this is our room for the next few days. We are currently in Gibara, which is in the southern parts of Cuba, and we just thought we'd show the room for you guys today. This is a bit of a splash out hotel just because we felt like we might want to get one, just being a bit tired and a bit jet lagged and stuff like that, and have a nice comfortable place to stay.
Yes.
So would you like to do the tour, Melissa?
Okay, this is the bed.
This is the bed, a very big bed. I actually cannot even get the full bed size in because it's so big.
You might be able to tell how big it is. Look how long the pillows
Look
are. That's for half of the bed.
And they just reach across the actual size of the bed as well, don't they?
Yeah. Crazy.
And then we've got over here a little window latch, and then we can open the window and we can have a look outside to Cuba. So there is Cuba. And well, a bit of Cuba anyway. Not the whole of Cuba. That'd be a bit disappointing, one whole street being Cuba. Air conditioning unit, keep us nice and cool, and also keep us awake at night because
it's quite loud.
It's quite loud, and also it gets really cold, which I know that's what they're meant to do, but it gets a bit too cold, doesn't it, Melissa?
Yeah.
Few little extras given by the hotel, safe, that sort of thing. Iron, extra pillow.
Oh, umbrellas.
Blankets in case we get cold as well. Bathroom tour.
Oh my god, it nearly fell out. Yeah, bathroom tour.
Bathroom tour. Little mini fridge with some various things in there. Bag.
So this is the bathroom It is used, so it's a little bit messy.
Mm.
The shower is my favourite part. It's just like a big shower tray thing.
Big shower tray
The
thing.
shower's really, really nice as well. It's
really
like
big.
water pressure is really, really good.
Yeah.
It's just lush. So we can both fit in there.
Yeah. Both fit in there.
Toilet.
Toilet, obvious.
Toilet. There's a double towel rack, which is nice because it makes you feel like you're in a master toilet thing.
Master toilet
And
thing.
we've got a hair dryer as well.
Hair dryer as well.
It's not the best, but
Not the best. And also, we can add that bottle to the collection, Melissa.
yes, that's it.
This
So-
is how many waters we've drunk so far.
And we are on
Next
this
two bottles
bottle
as
now.
well.
Then we have this one after.
So staying incredibly hydrated as well.
Trying to, yeah.
So, that, I believe, concludes the tour.
Our room tour.
So,
We'll edit that out.
we will see you guys next the next hotel,
Yeah.
potentially.
Hopefully.
See you guys later.
Bye.
Bye bye bye.
So guys, this is one of the days that we spent in Gibara. We went to visit some local caves that was recommended to us to go and see. They were really, really cool. We didn't get to see everything. There were supposed to be some lakes that we were going to go and see, but we didn't manage to do it in the end because the caves were a bit too dark.
Yeah, so we had to scrap some of the footage, unfortunately, but at least you got to see some of the caves that we saw. So we'll see you guys soon. Bye-bye.